What are ball bearings and how do they help machines run smoothly? Do you ever wonder why the moving parts of a machine move so smoothly? How does a fan rotate without much noise? And how a car's wheel rotate with ease? And how do the rotor blades of helicopter move smoothly despite being so fast? And how does a tank's turret rotate? This is made possible by tiny metal balls called ball bearings. Balls, due to their shape, are able to reduce friction between two objects. That's why you can slip and fall down if you try to walk on floor on which lots of marbles are laying. Just like marbles make it easy for your body to slip against the floor, ball bearings make it easy for machine parts to slip against each other. Without ball bearings, machines would regularly break down and need replacement of parts damaged due to friction. Ball bearings are responsible for smooth motion of almost all the moving parts of any machine you can think of. Be they car wheels, jet engines, electric motors, or hard drives. In fact, ball bearings are so important for smooth functioning of most machines that German ball bearing factories were regularly bombed by Allied bombers during World War II to cripple Germany's industrial production.